I'm here with Alejandro from Infineon at Embedded World 2026, and we are used to hearing about robots that need to see and they need to have motors to move around, but we're not used to seeing them quite as humanoid as this. But really what you're seeing here is everything that a robot needs in order to be able to see and move, and all of the calculations that are happening in between. Now, Alejandro, exactly what are we looking at here, and why would you describe it to me as the future, as you did before?
Yeah, sure. Hi, thanks for having me here. So we have here a robot humanoid which will sense and see where the people are here. So it localizes the persons here 360 degrees around using radar devices. So we have our latest CMOS radar device, which each of them, we have three, will see 120 degrees of angle around. So we have the biggest target, moving target, will be visible by the robot. So it will point at this, it will move in this direction. And then we have also a TOF camera. TOF is time of flight technology. So you see here the depth of field, the infrared, and you see here also a 3D generated image. This is very useful for face recognition, for mapping. If you have a vacuum cleaner, these small robots, they have normally this kind of technology to map your house. So these are things that they are actually being used in robots, and it will be even more in the future. We have also some processing from AI now in these moments is very useful also. So you can also tell by voice recognition how to behave. So I can also say the robot to change the color of the LEDs, and then it will change. I can make you a demonstration here, so I can go and say, okay robot, change color red. Oh, it is already red. You can maybe cut it. Okay robot, green. Okay robot, color green. Then it changed the color. Yeah. Also, we have a magnetic sensor here. So with the magnetic, you can track also how many degrees is moving in each direction. And it's also very useful to avoid collisions. So if you have a robot, you don't want to track any, to be able to harm any person. So it's important to know where the people are so it doesn't collide. And we have a piece of motor controller. So it will control the motor here inside. So many different Infineon products with the PISOC family and from the extensive sensor family to use in a robot humanoid, so you can power the robots of the future.
Absolutely, yeah. And one of the things about this that I think you mentioned is that it's so many things that are integrated into it that are really essential. A common problem with using, for example, things like time of flight or whatever, is that it wouldn't necessarily detect if there was somebody just there. It wouldn't necessarily know that that was a human. But the way that things like millimeter wave sensing has changed, these radar sensors will detect 360 degrees around them, even if a person is not moving. Yeah. And this is all the vital information that goes into making a robot like this work. So if someone was wanting to get started working with Infineon parts and trying to come up with a robotics-based design using some of this, where would be the best place for them to look?
Yeah, just go to Infineon.com and there write whatever you are looking for. If you are looking for a radar, you just write radar, and you have like a radar finder included in the website. You have also like an AI assistant where you can really type whatever you need, like a normal language, and this will give you the information that you are looking for, to the sensor, to the microcontroller, whatever you are doing. So just Infineon.com, and there you are right to go.
Super. And any links that are pertinent to this particular demo as well, we'll make sure are under this video. But Alejandro, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you. Goodbye.